Hi there, students. Aft, aft. Okay, this is a nautical word. It can be an adverb, an adjective, or even a noun. It talks about towards the back of the ship, the back part of the ship. So the aft part of the ship is the back part of the ship. So as an adverb, if you go aft, you will find your cabin just off the aft deck, the rear deck. Okay, so aft. This is in a ship or also in an aeroplane. In an aeroplane, aft is the direction going towards the tail, going towards the back. So aft, towards the stern of a ship or the tail of an aircraft. So everybody was asked to go aft. There are windows on the aft side. There are windows aft on each side of the ship. Okay, so aft. Towards the stern. Okay, we've got this word stern, rear, abaft as well. Abaft as an adverb. Okay, so please, would you go aft? Would you go to the back part of the ship? It's the aft. It's the part close to the end. So the captain has a large cabin located on the aft part of the ship. Okay, so aft. When something is back at the back of a boat, it's aft. It's at the stern. You go aft. He made his way aft. The entire aft section of the wreck is missing. You will find what you are looking for in the aft cargo department. When there is a hole in the aft part of the ship, and it makes it difficult to navigate. Okay, the poop deck aft had cabins below. Okay, so I had a beautiful little aft cabin with a double bed and plenty of drawers. Go as far aft as you can, and then start to go down the companionways, down the hatches. Okay, there were sails fore and aft on the yacht. We stood on the ship's deck facing aft. There are exits from the plane located fore and aft. The ship has fore and aft cabins, and both the fore and aft exits can be used in an emergency. Okay, so aft on the back, going backwards. Yeah, if you go aft on a boat, you go towards the back of it. If you are aft, then you are located at the back. The aft end of a boat is the back part of it. Is the part at the part at the back. Okay, so aft, rearward, astern, abaft, hind, back, and that's the idea of aft. I sat aft in the canoe and looked steadily out onto the horizon. Okay, let's see. As to origin, okay, it comes from Old English "aiftan," meaning behind. And then aft, the aft cabin formality. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. So aft.